And Mark, the threat of severe weather is why it's a Storm Team 6 alert day. You mentioned the arrival of the severe storms. There's a slight risk from Indianapolis to the south across the rest of Indiana. The severe threat is going to arrive here after 5 p.m. and damaging wind will be the main threat. Now, there is some rain out there already. None of this is severe. Not expecting it to be severe, even though there's a few lightning strikes getting picked up now. Just north of Bloomington, as this band of heavy rainfall went through, it continues to work to the north. Spencer, Martinsville, you'll be next up here within the next 15 to 20 minutes of seeing that heavier downpour as we work further to the north. Just some light rain from Crawfordsville over towards Lebanon right now. A few sprinkles moving into the downtown Indianapolis area. Then to the north, just some light rain showers as well. And all these showers right now are part of the warm front that is working its way through the area. So it's been a pretty chilly morning. As we get into the afternoon hours, you're really going to notice the temperature start to climb again as that warm front makes its way through. And we're not going to hit our high temperature until late tonight, but the warmer air, the more humid air is going to set the stage for the cold front to move through. And you already see that band of rain starting to get itself together towards the St. Louis area. And this will continue to make its way eastward as we go throughout the course of the evening hours. So as far as the severe threat, again, there'll be some showers before this arrives. 4 to 6 p.m. on the western side of the state, 6 to 8 p.m. here in the metro area, and then it makes its way off towards the east. So let's fine tune it for you, let you know exactly what you can expect hour by hour throughout the remainder of your day. Through 3 o'clock, just general rain showers across the area. Maybe a rumble of thunder, but nothing severe at this point. We're heading into the 4 o'clock. Many of you are starting your evening commute. The rain chances starting to ramp up, but again, probably not any severe weather until we get into that 6 o'clock time frame. It's these darker shades of orange and red that will have the potential to see some strong to severe storms, and you notice most of them are south of Indianapolis. This is where the greatest threat of severe weather will be throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours, and then by the time we get to 10, 11 o'clock, the severe threat is going to start to ramp up. Damaging wind, by far the greatest threat we're facing here later on this evening. Just the small chance of an isolated tornado in extreme southern Indiana. There's the look in Bloomington where the rain has gone through. 45 degrees as the temperatures are slowly starting to climb. Sustained winds at 20 miles per hour. Some wind gusts as high as 33 miles per hour right now. But again, the warmer air is starting to work its way in. Look at that, 55 degrees right now in Evansville. Eventually near a record high later on today of 59 degrees across the area as these severe storms start to move in. Behind the cold front tomorrow, we'll start to see the temperatures dip into the 40s. And as we go through the next 7 days here, Friday, mostly sunny skies, 41, 47 on Sunday. But Ashley, certainly will need storm shield here throughout the remainder of the day.
All right, you were just showing them live radar. I can show them radar as well, and I can do it from the Storm Shield app. So if you have this app, download it today if you don't have it, because you'll need it. Why? At around 6 p.m., you're leaving work. What will happen at this point is that if watches or warnings are issued, you will receive those watches and warnings on your phone. You also can watch a radar, loop it. There are storm safety tips as well, so make sure you have the app handy, download it, and of course stay tuned right here to RTV6. Kevin Gregory already walking in the door, ready to track this system. Kyle will be here later today, so we are on top of it. We'll keep you updated. Mark.